Hello, everyone. I'm Mrs. Sparks, and I'm your teacher for the semester. Now, when you log into the website, this is your homepage, and on your homepage, we have the activity feed and the announcements. Please check these two on the homepage before you continue. The last thing I posted yesterday told you when the assignments were due for this week, when you should be finished with Unit 1. Now, I've also posted two surveys. I need you to do the time scheduled survey as soon as possible so that I can set up a time where you can meet me in a chat room, sometimes meet me as a group, sometimes meet me individually to look at the difficulties you might be having with that aspect of the course and to help prepare you for the tests or quizzes. I use those as a review for you. And if there is any student in particular who needs help with a specific area, sometimes I'll meet the student directly and work with them on that area. But I need you to set up a schedule or do this survey so that I can schedule a time for you to work with me. Now, Unit 1, just an overview quickly, is a review. If you've completed the orientation, you should be able to access Unit 1. If you haven't completed the orientation, you would not be able to access it as yet. So please finish the orientation as soon as possible. Now we're going to go to the content. This is what I see when I log in. Your screen might be different. So I've opened Unit 1. These that you see, you can see how many units you're going to have to complete for the whole course. When you finish Unit 1, I open Unit 2 and we continue like that. Now, the first one is just a review of most of what you've done before. It starts off asking, are you ready? And it just quickly goes through some of what you need to know for the math or some of the review of things that you should already know. Now, sometimes it goes through different links or PowerPoint presentations that you need to look at. Your next activity was just using technology. If you're going to use, if you're going to type, you're going to need an equation editor. I've posted two extra videos. The first content was a little old because most people are not using Corel equation editor anymore. So I've added a Google how to insert equation in Google Docs and Microsoft Word equation editor. So you can look at how to use technology to type your equations. The next three topics look at integers. Start with an introduction, then addition and subtraction. Sum and difference means addition and subtraction. And then products and quotient means multiplication and division. Now at the end of each activity, there's an assignment that's due. So let's click on this assignment here for sum and difference of integers. Now this assignment, you didn't have to submit to me for marking, but you quickly try these questions and you click on the answers to see if you were right. This one assignment, it says quiz, so you'd click on the quiz icon, it takes you to the quiz, and then you would do the quiz. Your next set of assignments are exponents. So you'd go through your content, read, look at what the different things mean. This tells you how to do exponents on some types of calculators. And you look at your assignments. This one doesn't have to be submitted. The ones that have to be submitted, you clearly see that it does. If you click on the link, it will go to another page. This link just shows you what the answer for that one is. So let's go back. Then we do a quiz on exponents. Then the last activity is ratios, rates, percents. This assignment is a written assignment that you post in your Dropbox. You read the information and do the different parts of the assignment. And last but not least is your test. It just summarizes most of, there's no new activity for 9. You go to the assignment and there's a unit test. You can't see this as yet because I've hidden it from view. I'll open this on Friday. Once you click on this, it takes you to the quiz section. Now, I hope this helps with what you have to do. If you need any help, just please send me an email.